The fall season brings coughs, and coughs bring leaks. I have often seen people who are, in gym class or at the grocery store, and they know a cough is coming on and they know a leak is coming on. It's not about shame, it's about getting it addressed. Pressure of a cough or sneeze, a laugh, that not have enough support in the pelvic floor to hold the pelvic floor intact with that pressure. Vibrant, healthy tissue can really handle the pressure that happens with those, but tissue that's either very tired, very tense, or it's having some integrity issues cannot handle that pressure. Estrogen maintains elasticity, hydration, and blood flow. Progesterone and DHEA, okay, those really help with muscle tone, integrity, and tissue repair. When these hormonal declines happen, the tissue thins. It thins and it becomes reactive. So we know that hormones keep our tissue resilient. Stop guessing about your hormones. So start testing. Stop guessing, start testing.